Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to dropship on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail model where the selling store doesn't stock or own inventory. When a product is sold, the store purchases the item from a third party, which is shipped directly to the customer. The seller rarely handles the product directly. How to dropship on Shopify. Choose a dropshipping business idea, find a product to sell with competitive research, find a dropshipping supplier, build your e-commerce store, register your business with the government, load your products onto the site, launch and start marketing your dropshipping store. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.